Sunshine, you make me blush. Utenda langa, uyangikhanyisela, uyangishisisa, uyangishafisa. Ingako laba banekhala kuthi why do I get to be always around you? Bangade kuthi I always get the peace around you. Inkinga bafuna kukuhate bese they intend to make me your shoulder to cry on. Kanti inhlelo tehlukile. I wanna be the main reason you don't even share a single tear that can tear my heart. My heart. If you shed tears, it's gonna be tears of joy. Your joys, see, rejoice for joy. You'll see like Pepsi, twinkle your throat. Let's throat for the journey of our love, my love. Hello, good people. Nejani, this is your boy Dingana the Poet. I would like to kindly invite each and every one of you to this coming poetry show, Poetry in Style, Dinner in Style edition. The hosting Holly's Craft on the 28th of February 2026, which is next week, Saturday, the last day of the month of love. So can we go there and enjoy noma sivale inyanga yeluthando kanye kanye. Le ticket link 200 emalangeni for one person. Because ticket leli-1 lingenisa umuntu loyi-1 and angeke uze udisole because uyangena, you will enjoy, have the fun, play games and enjoy the performances. Plus still kulo 200 you still have liplete lekudla nesinathu cabanga nje imali leshiphe kangaka. So please make sure you get to be there next week Saturday from 5:30 to 9 p.m. Let's play, let's enjoy love together. Thank you.